background, but dark.
That's an automatic change.
Alright, so now I'm ready to.
That's right. Now what you want to do is recognize, first of all, that this menu is divided in half. Right side, 16 propositions for only 100,000 colors. The left is all of your tools, operations, and commands. In the center, you have the status box. This is very helpful.
Okay.
This box here, this empty box, it's a comp box. It tells you
It's a manual pretty
what it is you're working, what of these tools you grabbed, and also it's the method of zapping your screen and clearing it automatically. You lose images when you do that. Now it does it twice for a default in case you made a mistake pressing the wrong area. Okay.
Alright, so now I have
Now you've got all these
to move, allows me to move an image.
right? Templates are for different shapes. Fill is for painting within
Okay.
areas. Tells you how to actually enact the command. Alright. This is when
Alright,
what is the press.
let's go to pen.
Okay, so
I select that by going like that.
correct.
That brings up another menu. I have, this is I'm in the pens menu.
That's correct. That's always the menu you work.
Okay. I have the airbrush mode, the brush mode, erase, positioning characters,
Well, you can draw with characters.
draw with characters, line mode, pen is what?
Pen is just pixel by pixel and whatever size point you want.
So I'm in the pen now. How do I go to the pen? It says I'm in the pen drawing. What? Can I change that?
You can change that if you want to
Make it wider.
oh, then you go over the numeral. Press down, hold down, slide to the right. And go up to 8.
Okay, alright. Rubber band, Q line. So if I were to take that kind of difference,
So you
like
do
this.
tracing. That's correct.
What I float. Do I need more than one image?
No, that's fine. Okay, so now you press it. Let's see. Check my.
I can tell you what Fill 2 does.
Now, press the side. Oh, just follow that color. Okay,
Okay,
now
alright, I see.
you got the edge.
Alright, template.
We cover template. And doesn't help if the status box best for movements. Press again on the screen and go in a horizontal position, left or right. Takes you down to black and up to white.
That's neat.
Okay, now to cancel out, you have to press C. And if you want to change those parts in red, green, or blue, you can look over here at the screen. You can see, first of all, that you have selected color position 3. And this many parts of red, green, and blue. To change that, press red. Now go up on your screen. Oh, I can't spell it twice. Now, press down on the screen, hold it down, and move it up to the right.
Up to the right.
Now you see that change. It tops off 15 to another 0.
Now, am I seeing the color change now?
Yeah. A little bit more subtle than the other. Okay, now we're like, oh, it's already going to green. I see, now you want to change that.
No, I could just hit green and I would say I didn't want to change it at all.
That's right.
But if I wanted to change the spigot here,
Now you already have